Welcome to another video of Elite Expertise YouTube channel. This is Neha, Admin Manager of Elite Expertise. I have cleared my KAPS examination in November 2023 under the guidance of Harika Ma'am and Arief Sir. Elite Expertise is an online education platform who trains overseas pharmacists for KAPS, PEDC, PT and recently launched exam for OPRA as well. We recently received July 2024 results for KAPS and we have got 95% success rate. And one of our happiness is with us, Amandeep. Hi, Amandeep. Congratulations on your success.
Thank you, ma'am.
How are you feeling?
I am feeling good, over the moon,
Tell
feeling
us about
blessed.
yourself.
I am Amandeep Kaur Gill. I am from India, Punjab. I have done my graduation from ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga in 2013.
Okay. Why did you choose KAPS pathway?
Actually, my husband wants that I should pursue my pharmacy career here in Australia.
Okay.
Actually, I heard that KAPS is a very difficult exam, but my
Okay.
husband always motivated me that you should try at least once, you should try at least once. Then I joined KAPS.
You
Then I
have
joined Elite Expertise.
you tried and cleared in your first attempt.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many months did you spend in KAPS preparation?
Actually, I joined Elite Expertise in March batch, but due to my skill eligibility delay, that's why I cleared in July.
Okay. What strategies did you apply for your during your KAPS preparation?
I just follow sir and ma'am. I listened the lectures 3 to 4 times and also done mocks so many times. I
Mm-hmm.
always attended the live lectures.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I always complete the assignments and make short notes which help us a lot during our revision.
Yeah. So, you have joined the recorded and live sessions, and you made a notes out of it that helped you in clearing your exam. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
And how did you tackle concept-based questions during your exam? And how did Elite Expertise help you clearing your CAPS exam?
Actually, in lectures, everything is get cleared by sir and ma'am. We
Mm.
get the core concept clearly.
Yes. Yes.
I think there is no need for too much revision because when we attend the live lectures, we get everything. As I had a 10 years gap, but
Mm.
even though now I feel that I know everything, we get the core concepts.
So you had a 10 years study gap between your graduation and the CAPS exam.
Yes, ma'am.
So since Elite Expertise provides comprehensive coaching from the foundation, it made you easy to clear your CAPS exam in your first attempt.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the last day's preparation helps a lot. I got ST's question in exam. I just read the question and marked the answer. I just read the question and marked the answer. It helps me a lot.
That means question framing and all kind of concept we teach you is like that. So you can
Like that.
easily crack the CAPS examination in your first attempt.
Yes,
And
ma'am. As we know that ma'am and sir has lot of experience and they are the masters of caps. And
mhm.
I think I got 10 to 15 question as it is. I done my both papers within 60 minutes. First
Oh,
paper within 60 minutes and then I revised 2 to 3 times my paper.
oh,
And
that's
as it is in paper 2, I don't found paper 1 is difficult or second is
you,
difficult.
you made it clear and crisp without
Yes,
any
ma'am.
stress or something. That's very good. And how strongly do you recommend Elite Expertise for the future CAPS aspirants?
100 by 100, I recommend students to join the light expertise. Recently, one of my friend also joined light expertise. She is going for November exam.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And any final message for the future CAPS aspirants?
Mm, I want to say that they should attend live classes and follow what ma'am and sir says. or do mocks as much as possible.
Mhm. All
They
you want
will
to
easily crack the exam. As I can clear the exam, they will definitely clear it.
like you are the clear example. Like if we attend live lectures in, if not recorded sessions, and doing the mocks repeated times and going through the handouts, it's very easy to clear the CAPS examination in your
Yes,
first
ma'am.
attempt. Yeah. Thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much, dear, for all your insights, like for sharing us your journey. And we wish you good luck for the future endeavors. And thank you so much. Bye, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.